Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, no new insights really on this chart. We see a little bit of a reaction now to this ascending trend line as per previous updates. We're very open to the idea that XRP could develop here a larger, well, not really a larger bounce, but a corrective bounce in this wave 2, circle wave 2, which we consider part of this larger decline in a 5-wave move, which started on the 30th of March. Yeah, the idea is that this is one reasonable perspective here at least. 1, 2, then the third wave down, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Surely other interpretations are possible on this chart, but it is just a very choppy chart, so we just need to take it level by level. For now, we had a few nice trend reversal areas to which price reacted. At the latest, this red one, which was here before, so that would have been a nice or interesting short. Then we had one here. But now it's just moving sideways, so there isn't much going on. There are a few ways how this can be approached. First of all, we need to understand that we have a trend line here, which is quite relevant. It's getting a little bit too obvious, the trend line. So it increases, in my opinion, the likelihood that this is going to break down, right? However, of course, there is a chance to go higher. And in my opinion, it actually would look quite good if this chart does a bit of a corrective pullback first before coming down, because the move down so far hasn't really been impulsive anyway. So the idea is that we could still be in this wave 2 correction. Just from a chart point of view, we had a wave 1 to the downside, which bottomed on the 10th of May, a wave 2 to the upside in a corrective move. Now this could be the third wave down, but within the third wave, we are looking for 5 waves down as well. Wave 1 was quite impulsive. Then the original idea was maybe this was wave 2 and we're already following through in a third wave to the downside, then a fourth and a fifth. Now the problem is the move down wasn't impulsive. So the idea is now that this was a 1 and then here maybe a WXY correction and then down. Yeah, I mean, again, what are we talking about here? Not much space to the upside anyway. The idea is that the 54-cent level is the major pivot point. That is the level, should we get higher, yeah, then it could provide an interesting reward to risk trade to the downside, potential short, as it did here as well. So there might be another attempt here, okay, because we then have a potential impulse down, a 3-wave move to the upside, even though it's not the clearest due to the idea, well, due to the fact that it made a new low, but overall still a potential flat pattern, a so-called flat pattern where we had that wave 1 down and then a wave W, first wave of the correction, a 3-wave move, an X wave down, again would be a WXY structure, and then here, yeah, maybe another WXY to the upside. So very complex, very messy. Normally it doesn't make sense to analyze a chart on this time frame, but of course there are some XRP traders in the community, people who like to know about the smallest time frames. Just note that they can change easily, and also understand that it's not really trending here at the moment. So things can change quickly. The market hasn't fully made up its mind yet. A lot of people expected more from those Hinman emails, but I didn't pay much attention to it. And, you know, it wasn't worth it anyway. There wasn't much going on there, at least not in terms of the price. Yeah, we had a bit of a rally until then, but that's it. What else to mention? Not much. I think what you need to know is if a break below the trend line occurs, then the relevant level that needs to break is 45 cents, and a breakdown would lead to that third wave breakdown, yeah, getting closer to the 30-cent range. If it holds the trend line, as long as that's the case, it is reasonable to at least expect a higher corrective rally, a bit higher into the region between 50.7 and 54 cents, but from there, ideally, the breakdown. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.